Hi everybody, today we're going to show you how to program your 7500 commercial filter valve. First thing you'll notice is this little green line that's going up here. That basically shows you that you're in the service mode. You'll also notice that there's a little green key right here that's on. So the first thing we'll want to do is unlock the screen. We're going to hold both the up and down arrow buttons down at the same time. You'll hear a beep, and then you'll see that the little key lock goes off. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is hit this first button here, the box with the little arrow going to the left, and this gets you into the programming mode. So now what you can do is scroll through the programming mode. Okay, so this is your time. Go ahead and hit this first button again. Then you can set 7, 6, 4 a.m. This is a 24-hour clock on these valves, so like 1, 2, 3, it'll be on military time. So that's once you get that set, you'll hit the square button. Now you can set the minutes. Hit that button again. Also, you'll notice when you're programming, there's a little green wrench button down here in the corner that'll be flashing. That shows you basically what you're on. Right now we're on the clock, so the clock is illuminated down here. So now I'll scroll next, B01. This is a standard setting. It's for remote components, operating ball valves and whatnot. Just leave that set there. 3-08, you see the little arrows going down. This is your fast rinse. This is where we want this set at 8 minutes. You want to change it. There again, you can press the first button, scroll up and down. So we've got that at 8 minutes. Number 2 is 10 minutes. This is your backwash, and you can see the little arrow pointing up showing the backwash icon there. So there again, if you want to change it, you can change this to 12 minutes, but we're going to set it at 10. That's where we set them here. Push that button up again. This is your days between backwash. So this is now set at 4 days. If you want to set it 3 days, or if you want it set, if it's a carbon filter, you want it set at 7 days, you can set it there. So that's set the days between backwash. F00, that's a standard setting. You want that at 00. That just means it goes through the backwash cycle 1 time. If you set it to 01, it'll go through 2 times. You don't want that. Then there again, this is your time that the regeneration is going to occur in the morning. This is at 2 a.m. So if you want it at 3 a.m., you can set it here. There again, if you want it at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, you would set it at 1300. We normally set these between 1 and 3 a.m. We'll set this one for 2 a.m. Most people aren't using their water that time in the morning. So once you have that set, again, hour, minute, hit this button again. Okay, so there's your time, the B01, your rapid rinse, your fast or your backwash, days between recycle, and what time it recycles. Once you get all those, go ahead and hit the second button with the finger arrow to the left, and you'll see the little eyeglass come on. That means you're back in service in your active scroll bar there. So you're now in service. Okay, that does it for today. 7500 C commercial filter valve programming. Have a good day.